everyone, today we are at Magic Kingdom, and the first thing that we did when we walked inside was go straight to the Plaza Ice Cream Parlor. Inside is really neat. It's old-fashioned looking with greenish blue ceilings and pink decor everywhere. Owen and I got ice cream floats. I got a Coke float and he got a root beer float, and I think Brandon got cookies and cream in a cone. Nadia got the mint, and it looks like Mickey. So cute. And then I got a Coke float. They even have a mini kitchen sink that is $16.99, and you can choose any 2 flavors of hand-scooped ice cream with hot fudge or caramel sauce, whipped cream, and 2 cherries, which is very similar to the ones that we saw over at Beaches and Cream. We stopped by and got something to drink after we ate the ice cream, which was delicious. And we got a Coke, and it's original Coke, so it's normal Coca-Cola in a bottle, but I wanted to show you because the bottle is actually pretty cool, and it is decorated for the 50th anniversary. So there's the castle, if you can see it in the camera, but it's actually really cool. So it's all beautiful with all the iridescent colors with the castle on it for the 50th anniversary, but it's just the original taste. So that's pretty neat. We're over here by Barnstormer, and this is where the Fantasyland station is not working right now. But oh my goodness, y'all, this is Tron, and I see a sign. So we're just gonna walk up here, see what it says. Tron, now programming, Magic Kingdom. All right, so that's it. There's the building.
You know they're building a train tunnel?
There's the canopy. Still working on it. I can see that over there still needs some work. There's the inside of it. Alrighty, we are now on the Dumbo. Dumbo ride! Dumbo ride! Nadia's doing the controls. Going round and round.
Go down, go down.
There's the other Dumbo and Cinderella's castle in the background. And now we are in line for Barnstormer. It was only a 10-minute wait for Dumbo, and it said a 10-minute wait for Barnstormer as well. But we're walking right in. There's Tron. It looks so big. Oh, it looks like there's some blue lights in the background there. That's pretty neat.
Oh, there's a tunnel, a train tunnel right there.
Oh, okay. Here we go. And it's over. It's like the shortest ride ever. Getting on Winnie the Pooh. There's all kinds of interactive things that you can do while in line. The map of the 100-acre woods. So they can go through here. All kinds of interactive playthings. pop up there. They also have these that go little cars around the honey hives. Move the honey around. It's not coming off of his face, but it's Eeyore.
And the bunny's name is what?
Rabbit.
Look, Mommy.
You actually don't even really have to touch it. You can just be close to it. And it goes away. Winnie the Pooh!
He'll never reach that
Lettuce. L-E-T-U-S. Oh, there's Toad. Because the Toad ride used to be here.
doesn't it? Holly, right this way. I almost bounced right out of the ride.
Oh, he didn't come down.
What have I ever looked for models? They feel honey. Honey.
Just come out of Winnie the Pooh. Fireworks! Heading straight to Seven Dwarfs Mine Train for a 20-minute wait. This is really and truly the best time to get in line for Seven Dwarfs Mine Train.
20 minutes.
Yes. 20-minute wait. Because all day it's been like 60 or 75. I think we saw it 45 at one time. But right now, as the fireworks are going, 20. And we're on. Dwarfs Mine Train. During the fireworks.
Your cadaverous power betrays an senseless wild metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
Never noticed this picture of a vampire before. We just got on here, Haunted Mansion. As soon as we sat down, we got stopped. We love this ride, don't you? You like this ride? Yeah. I love it. I wish we could get stopped in like certain routes so I could just watch like the dancing scenes. It's really cool.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations. And they'll haunt you until you return.
we are getting in line for Splash Mountain. It's almost 10 o'clock at night, and it is a 35-minute standby right now.
As usual. Theo's good rabbit.
I never noticed he was reading a book, How to Catch a Rabbit.
Red Bear, you done been sticking your nose in the wrong rabbit place this time for sure.
Giant teapot.
Getting away this time.
No, let me loose, Red Ass. Let it go.
He learned his lesson all right.
How is he keeping that hat on? Last ride of the night. Space Mountain. 35-minute wait. Hi everyone, we ended up having a wonderful time at Magic Kingdom with our family. We were able to do 7 rides total when we got there. And I don't remember exactly what time we did get there. It's a few days later, actually, when I'm editing this. But we ate ice cream as soon as we went there. And then we were able to look at the Tron updates. And then we rode 7 different rides. We rode Dumbo, Barnstormer, Winnie the Pooh, Dwarfs Mine Train. We rode the Haunted Mansion, Splash Mountain, and Space Mountain. I didn't film on Space Mountain. It is completely dark inside, and I didn't film the queue either. It's one of our least favorite queues. It's nothing really interesting. You're inside where it is air conditioned, but there's just not a whole lot going on around you. Unlike like the Winnie the Pooh queue has a lot of interactive elements for you or your kids to do while you're waiting online. But we had a fantastic time. Thank you so much for watching. And now it's your family time. Bye.